Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube app on your Mac. So this is going to help you if you want to have direct access to your favorite videos from your desk without having to open the web browser every time. We're going to do it step by step and it's going to be very easy. So first, you're going to open your favorite web browser. In my case, I'm going to use Safari, and here you're going to go to youtube.com. So when you're here, you're going to be able to see the link of your YouTube page. So now I'm going to move my web browser window a little bit because we're going to take the link and we're going to draw that to the desktop. We're going to check that YouTube appears now in our desktop, and next we're going to open a new window in our web browser. Here you're going to search for YouTube logo transparent, and now you're going to choose the image that you want for your YouTube app. You can choose the one that you like the most. In this case, I'm going to choose this one. So now when you have your image ready, you're going to go to your desktop and you're going to select your YouTube app. Here on the upper left part, you're going to click on File, and then you're going to click on Get Info. This new window is going to appear, and now we can go back to the image that we select. So now we're going to take the YouTube image that we found on Google Images, and now we're just going to drag the YouTube image on the HTTP at the upper left bar. And as you can see, it already has the YouTube icon. So now we're going to close this window and we're going to check that our new YouTube app is working. For this, you will have to double click on it and it will take you to your YouTube page. And as you can see, it is working, and now I have a really easy way to get to my YouTube page. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!